Hi, I'm Doc Ann from Elise Aesthetics. So we will be doing revision rhinoplasty for this patient who had collagen injection last 2018. So if you will notice, mataas yung bridge but yung tip niya is droopy. And because of the injection, mas nag-thicken yung skin. So what we will do is we will remove the collagen inside, manually remove it, and yung bridge niya lalagyan natin ng implant. And for the tip, we will project it at its maximum height using her own cartilage. So, yung alar, if you will notice, it's a little overhang and wide. So, we will also do alarplasty para mas lumabas yung columella. So, let's do this. So, this is it. Upon opening the nose, instead of collagen, ang nakita natin are silicone oil. So, these are permanent filler na nakuha natin from her bridge and her tip. So, kanina makikita na masyadong makapal yung skin because of this filler injection. Now, we were able to make it more thin and defined. And for the tip, we were able to project it at its maximum height. So, maganda na yung projection. And because of that, yung alar niya is now narrowed. You will see mas nakikita yung columellar show. Yan. Okay?